this video, I'm going to show you how to put a book on hold using Destiny Discover. Step 1, navigating to Destiny Discover. We're going to start out by going to the school's website, tzmv.weldre4.org. Click on Student Resources, then Library Catalog. Now we're going to select the name of our school from the list of elementary schools. And on the left side of the navigation bar in the catalog, we're going to select Destiny Discover. Destiny Discover has the ability to log in, and if you're going to put a book on hold, this is what you're going to want to do next. So click on Login and sign in with your school credentials. Did you know that you don't have to be in the library to use Destiny Discover? You can access it on a tablet, a Chromebook, a laptop, and even your cell phone. Once you're successfully logged into Destiny Discover, you'll see your icon here, your name here, followed by the name of our school. You'll also see 3 color-coded corners on our materials. If it's a blue corner, that means it's a digital book that has unlimited checkouts. There's no need to put those on hold because everybody in the school can be reading the same book at the same time. Green corners with the word in means that the book is already in the library. There's no need to put that on hold. Go check it out. Red corners with the word out mean that the book is being read by somebody else. These are the books that you want to put on hold. The first ribbon on our Destiny Discover page are recently added books. Then we have our digital copies of Lightbox titles. Remember, those are digital books that everybody can have checked out. Popular titles are also on our ribbon. Once you've located the book that you want to read, you click on the book title and open up the full record. Verify that it truly is checked out, and you will see the blue hold button. Click the hold button, and now you have it on hold. Mountain View students can have 2 books on hold at any given time. If you try and put the third one on hold, it won't work. Something to keep in mind is some of our more popular books are frequently out and have a long waiting list. Be patient. We have multiple copies of these really popular books, and we'll get a copy to you as soon as one becomes available. The third and final step for having a book on hold at the Mountain View Library is visiting Destiny Discover on a regular basis to see if your hold is ready to pick up. You have to make sure that you're logged in. And one clue that a hold is ready is that there's a red circle here next to the menu. If I click on the menu and then click on holds, I can see that I have 2 books that I put on hold. This one's ready to be picked up at the library. I can tell it says hold ready, and it says that the hold expires March 25th. If I don't pick up the book to check it out before March 25th, it goes back into circulation. I've lost my place in line. This is the book that we just put on hold. It says hold pending. We put books on hold for a couple of weeks, and if you haven't had your chance to read the book yet, the hold expires, and you'll have to put your name back on the list. If you see that your hold is about to expire, visit with Mrs. Carsred. She'll help you extend that hold so that you won't lose your place in line. The last button I want to show you, you won't actually see on your account. It says Unhold. I have this button available to me because I'm the librarian. You won't see this. If you decided that you didn't want a book that you've put on hold, visit with us at the circulation desk and we'll remove the hold from your account.